Your son go down to the water and see the women all weeping there. Then go up into the mountains. The men they are weeping too. Oh, Father, why are all the women weeping? Oh, they are weeping for the man. Then why are all the men there weeping? Oh, they are weeping a bed. And then this is a weeping song. It's a song in which to weep while the men and women sleep. This is a weeping song, and I won't be weeping long. Oh, Father, why are all the children weeping? Oh, they are merely crying, son. Oh, are they merely crying, Father? Yes, true weeping is a to come. This is a weeping song, a song in which to weep while the little children sleep. This is a weeping song, and I won't be weeping.